Well, we're in a wind advisory, and it's blowing the hell out of this barn door all night. See, it's knocked a piece of plywood off it. We had 50-mile-per-hour gusts the other day that were nothing compared to what we've been having last night and today. Just unreal. Slow down a little bit right now. It was really bad last night while we were sleeping. I'm going to go out front and see what happened out there. Look at the tree. I'm not kidding. I mean, it's just whipping out here. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but look at the trees. Man, that's a big freaking walnut tree right here. Black walnut. And it's whipping the hell out of it. Surprised people haven't lost tin. People that have tin roofs, or a lot of that hasn't been missing. Oh wow! Looks like they lost some more roof off the barn. I'll take a ride around and get damage reports here. Really whipping here. Wow, it turned into colder in a witch's titty today again. And this witch's booby is froze. All that water we saw froze out there yesterday. Not froze, but as warm as it was yesterday. It started snowing last night. The wind started whipping. Oh, look at that sexy lady getting the mail. Sexy girl. Still really windy out today. Look at my bird feeders. Woo, woo, woo. It's windy, man. Babe, look at the bird feeder. It's going around and around and around. It's been doing that. I think the bird feeder's a little loopy today. Wow. The tree's blowing so hard down there, it's bent over the rock. It's usually straight. Roads look nice and clear here, but up ahead it looks like it's storming. Oh, just driving into it now. Oh, look at this. What a difference from nice to 500 feet up the road to a blizzard. So I'm driving down the road and I keep hearing this click, 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 and I'm like, either I got a damn stone in my tire or a screw. So, sucks. We were hoping for a stone, but it didn't work out that way because it wound up being a screw. So I tried to back it out when we were in Williamson, but started leaking air, and it had to be on one of the brand new tires that have no miles on them besides what we put on them, which ain't much. Then it already needs a plug. Bum deal, huh? So pause through the toolbox real quick. Figured I'd say, what do we got laying around that we can use? And I found everything we need. Found our rubber cement. I found our leather plugs. I found my clean out tool. And I found everything I need to fix my new tire with a damn plug in it. That's a bummer, isn't it?
brand new tire and already needs a plug. Bullshit. Bullshit. So I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible for you guys. Probably edit a little of this out, but grab my tools. This is your reamer. You're gonna wind up reaming out your where the screw is in there to get the steel cores out of the way. It's your other tool for your plug. They come in strips. So you're going to want to put one in the middle there, and you're also going to want to put a little bit of rubber cement on your plug on the end of it when you shove it in there to make sure you got a good seal. So I'm going to spin that tire around, and I made a video once before about changing Junior's car, fixing a flat on it, and somebody asked me next time I did one to do a video, so I don't remember who it was. But we're going to show you how real quick. Alright, so our screws right here, we're going to bring it down to the bottom because we're going to be working down here. Grab a pair of pliers real quick here. And grab a pair of vice grips. And get the screw out of here. That's a pretty long damn one. I was hoping it was a short one. Could have pulled it out earlier. Now you're leaking air, so I don't want to get your reamer tool in here. It's a lot easier when your tire is full of air to get it in there. You're going to want to make sure you get your reaming tool all the way in there. Get a good ream on it. It's cleaning the steel cores out of your way to get a good clean push in with your plug. Alright. I think that'll do it. Hopefully I can get it in there on one push. But to make sure, I'm going to air my tire all the way up so it's nice and hard when I push it in. And the tire don't push in on me, and it makes it soft. It's just harder that way. Woo! My hands are froze. Alright. Make sure our plugs are nice and clean. Some rubber cement on it. Doesn't matter if you let it dry or not. You can put it on wet. Some people let it tack up a little bit. I don't. Pull your reaming tool out. Okay. One quick yank. That'll take it off from there for you. And this is what you're wound up with. You're wound up with a plug and your tire. Got two ends sticking out. Just take a razor knife, cut these off flush so it don't pop back out on you. That should be good to go. Not bad, huh? Alright. Couldn't find a new razor knife. They all disappeared, but there's that plug. There it is. See if I can find it here. Take your razor knife. Do a little slicey. Slice off that plug. Where is it? It's good as new, huh? All plugged up, can't even really tell. Hopefully it don't leak. I'm gonna get a little bit of spray and put on there and check it out. So no matter how funny it looked of me trying to get that cleaning tool in there to get them steel cores cleaned out, that's very important. Or you got to use a hammer or something. Make sure you hit right on the center of that plastic. That was a cheap set I was using. It's easier when the tire's off. You can put steady pressure on it from the top. So I did it so I didn't have to take the tire off the truck. That's a big screw we got out of it. Also, shirts will be for sale online this year. We got ourselves a U-Do. So it's a silk screening machine. Already got it. And for you guys that did see our shirts already, Beth from Play Dirty Apparel actually did them for us last year on hers. I think she did an awesome job. We're going to see her and Crazy Cooter tomorrow. Go check out his new ride. He's got a new wheeler built up for this year. Whole one Crazy Cooter. So you guys stay tuned for them videos. And it's cold out. I'm going to cut this one short. Rex is cold and sniffing out Ida's sneakers while she's at work. To get all the stinky smell out of them. Just sniffing all out for her. Did I say that out loud? I didn't say your feet stunk, Ida. Alright guys, talk to you later.